Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A53s 5G smartphone. Okay, to do hard reset, first power it off. Just slide down to power off. Okay, now press and hold volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Now release. Okay, now the volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now select the language. Okay, now after it, or you can also use the touch feature. Okay, now go to wipe data. So here you can see wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, and format data. Okay, now go to format data and you can see please enter verification code 3396. Enter it 339. Wait, 33 again 396, and you can see all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format. You can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So you can see wiped successfully. Now tap on OK, and after the reboot it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A53s 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.